in every corner of the world. Markets are shifting quietly for some, violently for others. But behind the headlines, behind the numbers, a deeper story is unfolding. A story about power, money, and the invisible forces shaping the global economy. Today, we explore the truth behind the global market, what's rising, what's collapsing, and what few people are paying attention to. The past decade has redefined what a global market even is. Once, the world was powered by factories, oil, and traditional finance. Today, new engines drive growth, artificial intelligence, digital currencies, energy transitions, and a new geopolitical race between global superpowers. But what most people don't know is that every major shift in the market follows a predictable pattern: fear, disruption, opportunity, and transformation. And right now, we are in the middle of the biggest transformation of our era. Let's begin with the markets that are quietly dominating the world. Technology and data. Tech isn't just an industry anymore. It's the backbone of global power, and models are learning faster than humans can regulate them. Automation is rewriting the future of work, and digital companies, some less than 20 years old, now have larger capitalizations than entire countries. But with power comes vulnerability. One glitch, one cyber attack, one algorithmic mistake, and trillions of dollars can vanish in a single trading day. Analysts say the next major market crash may not be triggered by banks but by technology itself. Meanwhile, energy markets are undergoing a silent revolution. All producing nations are preparing for a future where fossil fuels matter less, while renewable energy grows exponentially. Solar energy is now the cheapest source of power in history. Wind and battery storage are following close behind. Yet in the background, the demand for resources like lithium, cobalt, and rare earth metals has sparked a new global race. The countries that control these minerals will control the next century, just like all controlled the last one. But to understand the global market today, we must look at something even more powerful than technology or energy: geopolitics. The global economy is now shaped by rivalry: East versus West, democracy versus authoritarianism, and old alliances versus new partnerships. The US is defending its position as the world's largest economic force. China is challenging that dominance with rapid expansion, manufacturing power, and new trade alliances. India is rising as a technological and demographic giant, and regions like Africa and Southeast Asia are emerging as the next investment frontiers. But as powers clash, markets shake. Trade barriers, tariffs, sanctions, and currency wars are creating fractures in the global system. Investors call this the era of economic fragmentation, a world where globalization isn't dead, but it's no longer predictable.